video we will learn these topics. Okay, let's start. First, control statement. Yes, a control statement is control the flow of the program. It decide which program is run and which program is not run and when run. Okay, here are three types. First, conditional statement. Second, looping statement, and jumping statement. Okay, as you can see, conditional statement. A conditional statement are used to make decision based on condition. Like this, if it's rain, sit inside. Okay, but else go out and play football. It's contain some types like if, if else, if elif, else, if elif, elif else. If contain the only true conditions, but if else contain the true conditions and false conditions, and if elif or else and same though too. It's contain the only multiple conditions. Check it. Let example. First, our age 18. Okay, our age 18. So let if age greater than or equal to 80, so print adult. Okay, and run. Yes, I am 80 and our age is 90 and run again. Adult. I am I am 25 years. Run. Yes, I am adult. But if condition I am our age is 15, 14 and 20, so use such condition. Okay, because true and false condition has combined. And like yes, if age equal to greater than equal to 80, so print I am adult. Okay, is contain true and false values, so I use else and print I am not adult. Okay, and run and check. Yes, I am not adult because this condition is false, so run this condition. Okay, it's contain true and false values and conditions. Sorry. Okay, and last use 1 and 2. Okay, I will check our not marks. Okay, marks equal to 85. Okay, marks contain 85 values and condition check if marks greater than equal to 90, so print just a minute. So print A plus grade. Okay, but check other conditions, so use this elif. Okay, L if marks greater than equal to. Okay, greater than and equal to 70. Use colon. Okay, use colon. Print a plus, not b contain a only. Okay, and else if marks greater than 40, so print only if you are and last else condition, because this condition falls, this condition falls, this condition falls, so print this line. Okay, so print and run. Okay, and check this condition, run. Yes, a condition, because this condition is false, so run this condition. Okay, and check 45. Okay, you are pass. Okay, I will use int functions and input functions and enter the marks. Okay, I will use this and this one. Input is take the input by the user. Int is convert integer into the input. Integer into the string into the integer. Okay, and I will check and run again. And just 1 minute. Yes, this mistake. Okay, please enter the marks. Okay, our marks is 75 and run again. I am passed and grade A. Okay, I will use this condition always. And next, looping statement. Yes, this is most important. Okay, looping statements are used to repeat a task multiple times, like this. Keep filling this bucket with the with the mug of the water till it is not full. Okay, this is repeating task multiple times. Okay, and this contain only two functions, while loops and for loops. Okay, types, not function, types. Okay, this contain two types, while loop and for loop. For loop used when numbers are interaction. Okay, now number are interaction, use for loops. While loops when condition are true, so run this line. Okay, I will practical. And first for loop. Okay, just 1 minute. Print list. Okay, print list 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then I print each number. Okay, I print each numbers. So use for one variable, name is list. One here, just a minute. List here, other item. Okay, and equal to sign. Okay, 4 item in list. Okay, and print item and done. Okay, and this 1 2 3 4 5 because 4 used to repeating task. Okay, item it's contain only one and okay, it's contain only one item and each items. Okay, so first each item means 1 contain 1 print 1, each item 2 contain 2 and print 1. Okay, it's contain repeating task. Okay, so list is all combination of the numbers and items. Item is contain only each item. Okay, so print one by one. Okay, first each item is 1, sorry, item is 1, so print 1, item is 2, print 2. Okay, and don't worry, let's other example. Just one num. Okay, num 2. Okay, and 4 I is variable in I in range. Okay, range function use because 1 2 3 4 5 6 range. Okay, 1 starting time and 11 ending time. Okay, and print I. Okay, print I. Just one minute. I is yes I contain because I contain 1 and next 2 3 4 5 6 7 and multiply by 12. Multiply by 2. Okay, and so multiply single symbols and multiply now and print them. Okay, and check yes 1 because first I contain only 1, so 1 multiply 1 1 multiply 2 2 and फिर repeating 1 contain I contain 1 next 2, so I contain 2 2 multiply 2 4 I contain 3 3 multiply 2 6 I contain 4, so repeating task. Okay, and last 20. Okay, I contain 10, so 10 multiply 2 20, but I contain 11. Okay, so this condition is false or stop. Okay, looping and used, and I will use next, and as you can see we'll practical. Okay, I equal to 5. Okay, sorry 1 because this is initialization. Okay, this is initialization. First I will initialize. Okay, and use condition check, so I less than okay and equal to 5, so run print number. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, this is unary operator. Okay, and run, and I plus plus not okay, I plus equal to 1. Okay, and check yes. Okay, first I is 1, so condition is true, so enter and print 1, and next increase I 2, so check not this condition is true, so run this, and is 3 check print, 4 check print, 5 check print, and 6 this condition is false, so looping stop. Okay, and in the next jumping statement, it's contained the two statements of first break statement and continue statement. Break statement stop the loop. Okay, stop the loop, and conditions skip the current value. As you can see, I will create while loop, initialize value 5. Okay, while check condition I less than equal to 5. Okay, and print I and done. But I will use break condition. So if agar I equal to 3, okay, so break. And I plus equal to 1 and run, and then 5. Oh sorry, 1 again, and skip 1 and 2 because I 1 check it print 1, I 2 check it print, okay, but I 3 check it, but this condition is false, so break. Sorry, this condition is true, so loop is break and print just 1 and 2. Okay, and use continuous statement. Okay, so create for loop and I in range, okay, 1 start and 11 end. If I equal to 3, okay, skip the value, so use continue. Print okay, and then it's not run, and then run. Okay. And you can see this result 3 is not, okay, this line, so continue, skip the value. Okay, in the next video we will learn.